Okay, welcome back to part 2. This is actually the tricky part. And as you might have seen, I fixed the colors so they actually mirror the bottom. Because when you look at it, the finished product will be on its side like that. Okay? So these will be mirrored, just like a normal butterfly wing. Alright? Now, I have broken bands under here. Now, the arrows are facing you, and we're going to be putting on the holding bands. Alright? I'm going to use yellow. You can use any color you want. And we're going to use a single band, and we're going to double it. Like that. And we'll start here. Okay? I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see. Okay, first one. Second one. Third one. There's going to be 12 altogether. You don't have to put 12. You can put as many as you want. However tight you want to hold it together. That's all these are doing. Oops, sorry. Keep hitting the camera. Okay. That. Then in the middle ones, I'm going to use black because that's the body. And so again, we're going to mirror the bottom onto the top here. So I'm just going to do the exact same formation. Here. Here. And the last one here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have the holding bands on. Now for the tough part, looping. So what we're going to do, we're going to zoom in a little bit so you can see this. We're going to go for these bands here on the right. Okay? Because they're the ones on top. If you went the other direction, the other ones will be on top. Whichever direction you went first, or second, I suppose, whichever bands are on top, you want to go for. So you're going to go behind the capping band and grab those 2 black ones and pull them around onto themselves. So you have a teardrop here. Okay? Now, you're going to go behind the black you just put on and the holding band and grab those 2 purples. Bring them up onto themselves. Okay? So you have teardrop here. Then you're going to take and go behind those blacks here, grab the bottom black, and put it onto itself. So that was from here to here. And then this, you're going to go behind the black that you just put on and grab those two purples. Hopefully. And bring them up to themselves. And then behind these blacks, grab the bottom two blacks and put them onto themselves. Alright? Now, we're going to want to go all the way up. These columns so we're just going to go behind the holding band and grab that and go up. Behind the holding band, grab that, go up, and go up. Oops. Go up here too. Alright, so these two columns are done. Next we're going to go over to the side here. So dig all the way down here and just get the last two blacks and pull them up onto themselves. So you got a teardrop. Behind the holding band, black. Oops, that's only one. Grab both blacks. Put them onto themselves. So you got a teardrop. Both those blacks onto themselves. Behind this, blacks onto themselves. Behind this mess, grab those two onto themselves. Push the center stuff down because you're going to go behind all here. Grab the bottom two blacks. Put them on the center. Okay, so this side's all done. And you have this. Okay? So now we're going to go to this side. Do the same thing. Go behind the cap band. Grab those two. Pull them onto themselves. Behind here, grab these two purples. Put them onto themselves. Go from here to here. Grab the black on the bottom. Pull it onto itself. Go behind here. Grab those two purple. Put them onto themselves. Then all the way down to these two blacks and pull them onto themselves. Okay? Now, we're going to go up these columns with the color again. Behind the holding band, grab that, put it onto itself. Behind the holding band, grab that, put it onto itself. Same thing here. Behind the holding band, grab that, put it onto itself. Grab that, put it onto itself. So now you have these two columns done. Now we're going to go over here and do the side. So go under all these. And grab the bottom two black ones. Pull them onto themselves. Behind the holding band, grab those two black ones, put them on themselves. Sometimes there's tension there, you can wiggle it, try to get it out, or you can loosen it with your hook. So grab these two blacks, put it onto themselves. Here, grab those two blacks, put them on themselves. Go under here, behind this mess. Try to find those two bottom blacks. Grab them. Tension, tension. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There we go. Oops. And sometimes you drop them. That's alright. Just pick them back up and put them on. And so that's these two. Got a teardrop. Now, behind all these, And grab the bottom 2 blacks. Pull. Put them onto this middle one. Okay, push the middle down just a little bit more, because now we need to go up here. Alright, so once again, behind the cap band, grab those 2 blacks, put it onto themselves. Grab those 2 blacks, put it onto itself. Grab these 2 blacks and put them onto that middle one. Alright, so this half is done. Now essentially you're going to do the exact same thing on the top, okay? The only problem is this mess right here, okay? So pretty much however you can get the right ones out, get the right ones out. I'm going to try to do it the first time, but who knows? So we're going to go for the top 2 black ones, which are these 2, okay? So I might have to pick this up, stuff out of the way here, so I can see. So I'm gonna go under here, go under here, and try to find those 2 black ones. It's not easy. So while I'm doing this, you can be doing this too. I wonder if those are them. Oh, these might be them. Kind of pull, I don't think so. Oh, maybe. Kind of pull them. Maybe take, see if they're tight. That's kind of hard to tell because there's a whole bunch of them under there. Well, okay, these are really tight. Try to loosen it up a little bit. Well, I don't know if they're the right ones or not. I think they might not be, but we'll be able to tell shortly. Oh, they were. Look at that. Maybe. No. You can tell because this one's still here. So, somewhere under here, I grabbed the wrong one. Oops. Like I said, this is like really tricky. So, and please use a metal hook when you're doing this, because your plastic one will definitely break. It'd be nice if this would go easier when I'm on video, but such is luck. Come on. This just does not want to happen. Eventually, you will find it. Dig around in there. Okay, I'm going to try and pause this. I'm going to pause until I find this one.